Hi guys, Robin here with WTI. Let's talk about this fabulous sofa table. I don't know why I didn't know these narrow behind the sofa tables were a thing until I saw this. This is a fantastic piece of furniture. I love the two USB ports and the power plugs, and I love that they are more vertical so they won't be trying to squeeze power cords in and hitting each other, which is just such a great idea. This is my previous setup for while I was on the couch. I had an extension cord run behind it, connected into random plugs. And then on the opposite side, where I did a lot of my phone charging and things like that, it was a big power cord. So we installed this. It was really easy to put together and super simple design. Once the power plug for the table was connected, I could go ahead and charge my phone, my tablet. I connected a few other power cords in there as well. And I love how seamlessly it fits with my home design too. Not gonna lie, I do enjoy just leaving my coffee behind me while I take a sip and watch TV. It is something that is a simple add to your house that makes a huge difference. I love how I can also use it to display different knickknacks, little plants, things like that, and it really adds a nice warm, cozy touch to my house. I think it is a great investment and I use it non-stop since I put it in. I highly recommend this. I absolutely love it and I know you will too. But that's just my point of view.